Last few years have been awful for us. However, in terms of consistency of anime, it remains same for most parts. This year was huge for anime. Studios like MAPPA have been killing it with their creative animation and directing. My favorite anime, One Piece, reached the milestone of 1000 episodes. Also, classics like Bleach and Devil is a Part-Timer have been recently announced. It was a joyous time for an average weeb like me, but most importantly, the first season of 2021 was packed with many fun and new animes. At first, my list was a top 5 2021 list, but it changed to my favorite seasonal 2021 list because it is unfair to compare a new seasonal anime with an anime that has multiple seasons. Nonetheless, all the animes not making my list leave me with a bitter aftertaste. Anyways, here are my top 5 seasonal anime of 2021. Kicking off the list with a very unique, mind-scratching and weird anime, it is Wonder Egg's Priority. This anime has my favorite story setting of this year. Our main character, is a victim of bullying. She was bullied for her medical condition known as heterochromia, the condition of having different color eyes. Personally, I found her eyes to be charming and beautiful, but the bullying grew different social anxieties in her. She became an introvert, cooped up in her room for many years. Amidst the darkness, a light shone in her dark room. It was her first ever friend, Koito. She was the only reason I started to enjoy her life. We even see a timeline where I commit suicide because in that timeline, Koito and I never became friends. Koito was that important to I. However, for some reason, Koito commits suicide. These events make her go back to that darkness. She spent her days lying on her bed. In one of those painful days, she finds an egg, breaks it, but the interesting thing is that the egg hatches in her dream. All the in-world fights take place in their dreams where characters explore their insecurities and guilt. The ending of the first season solidifies that. The explanation of why eggs were brought into the world was haunting, and this song brings me with two emotions, anger and sadness. I don't have to talk much about anger, but I feel sad because the action of the AI came from jealousy, not from ill intentions. Wonder's Priority delves into many heavy topics and executes them brilliantly. The word unique perfectly explains the coming of age story of I. On to my favorite romance of this season, Shinigami Bochan and Kuro Maid. The Duke of Death and his maid get butterflies to my stomach. It is such a sweet and wholesome anime that shows the day-to-day life of our two main characters, Bochan and Alice. Both love each other immensely, but they cannot express their love normally. The Duke was cursed to not be loved. Upon a single touch, he just kills any living thing. He yearns for any physical contact. But our female lead, Alice, is not one bit bothered by the curse. While others call him monster, Alice called him her prince. It is a very nice romance where characters are stars of their show. This anime has great contrast between happy and sad moments. If you want to know more of my thoughts on Shinigami Bochan to Kuro Maid, I have made a video about it. It will be in the links below. The next one gave me the most excitement and probably is the most successful anime of 2021. It is Tokyo Revengers. Tokyo Revengers is such a good anime showing the good and evil characteristics of humans. I love how relatable it is. It is a time travel anime full of plot twists and epic moments. Seeing the struggles and patience of Takemichi, the main character, I always find myself being inspired to do something. Tokyo Revenger is not your run-of-the-mill anime. The characters in this show are so good. Even if they have less screen time, The impact they have on the story is so beautiful to witness. I have also made a video of Tokyo Revengers which will be in the links below. Now, reaching my second spot is Komi-san Can Communicate. This is the most wholesome an anime can reach. You think that after 300 chapters, you will get bored of the same tropes recycled, but no, Komi-san has the same elements in chapter 1 till chapter 300, but still, it never fell off for me. Yes, it is unfair keeping an anime I have been following for 4 years, but I am incapable of removing Komi-san from the list. This show showed me the importance of expressions and body language. It is such a good anime that is so sweet it gives you diabetes. And now, on to my favorite seasonal anime of 2021. It is none other than Mushoku Tensei. First of all, Mushoku Tensei was this year. Damn, time has been non-existent to me. But anyways, for the past few years, I have been skeptical of isekais. It has become such an overly done genre. Every season always has an isekai, so I have been avoiding isekai for some time. But when I gave Mushoku Tensei a try, I became so interested in the world of Mushoku Tensei. Mushoku Tensei introduces us to an overpowered main character typical of isekais, but unlike most of them, this main character has flaws as a human, far from a perfect being. I appreciate the characters and their motivation the most in Mushoku Tensei. Each character choices make perfect sense in this anime. The chill vibe it emits are so refreshing. I delve into its strengths and weaknesses in detail in a video I made recently. It will be in the links below. This is my list of my favorite animes of 2021. I am very curious about your top 5 too. 2022 has a bunch of awesome lineups, so I am very excited for the new year. Hope this 2022 will give you happiness and joy. Have a great year everyone. This will be Dungeon signing out.